We know that binary arithmetic is used to perform tasks in computer systems. The amount of time a computer takes to perform a task is essentially proportional to the number of bit operations required. Even the most complicated tasks can be broken down into bit operations. So, in the next section, we will be estimating the time required for some arithmetic operations. That is, we will be computing an estimate of the number of bit operations required for each task. Let us consider binary addition. In binary addition, we must repeat the following steps. At each place, we should look at the top and bottom bit and also should check whether there is a carry above the top bit. The first possibility is when both bits are 0 and there is no carry. In that case, the sum of the digits will be 0, so we should put down 0 and move on. The next case is when both bits are 0 and there is a carry, or it may happen that one of the bits is 0, the other one is digit 1 and there is no carry. In those two cases, the sum of the digits concerned will be equal to 1. So we should put down 1 and move on. Next possibility is that one of the bits is 0, the other is 1 and there is a carry, or else both bits are equal to 1 and there is no carry. In these two cases, the sum will be 2. 2 is represented as 1 0 in binary, so we should put down 0, put a carry 1 in the next column and move on. The last possibility is when both bits are 1 and there is a carry. In that case, the sum will be 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is equal to 3. In binary representation, 3 is represented as 1 1. So we should put down 1, put a carry 1 in the next column and should move on. Now let us consider an example. Consider the binary number 11101110 and let's add the number 1010100 to that number. Now we will be considering the bits in ones place. First, here we have 0 and 0 as the top and bottom bit. There is obviously no carry. So, using rule 2, since both bits are 0 and there is no carry, we will be putting down 0 and moving on. Now, going to the next place, we have 1 plus 0 and there is still no carry. So the sum will be 1 plus 0, which is 1. So we should put down 1 and move on. In the next place, we have 1 plus 1, which is 2. 2 is represented as 1 0. So we should put down 0 and put carry 1 to the next place. Now we have 1 plus 0 plus 0, which is 1. Next place we have 1 plus 1, 2. 2 is represented as 1 0. So 0 is placed here and we carry 1 to the next place. Then we have 1 plus 1 plus 0, which is 2. 2. So 0 is written here and 1 is carried over. Now we have 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is 3. 3 is represented as 1 1. So we should put down 1 and carry 1 to the next place. Now we have the sum 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 0. Here Here we used the given rules in each place. Doing this procedure once is called a bit operation. Thus, adding two k-bit numbers requires k-bit operations.